Isn't the future amazing? It's being built around us day by day, piece by piece. The biggest innovations start with the smallest parts. For more than 50 years, Amkor Technology has played an integral role in some of the world's biggest advancements. We're a strategic manufacturing partner for the world's leading semiconductor companies. Amkor offers the broadest package portfolio in the industry, including lead frame and power, MEMS, flip chip, system in package, and wafer-level packaging. There are infinite package configuration possibilities. We deliver solutions to the global semiconductor industry in 4 end markets. Partnered with our customers, suppliers, and employees, Amkor is enabling the future.